Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to control how much RAM Edge browser can use or limit RAM usage in Edge browser, or this can also help in fixing high RAM usage in Edge browser. Before that, if you find this video useful, like it and subscribe to the channel. Open Edge browser and then click on the three dots icon available on the upper right corner and select Settings. In the settings, switch to System and Performance, and then on the right side, select Performance. Now scroll down and locate Enable Resource Controls option. As you can see, the description reads, control how much RAM or memory your browser can use. Out of the box, this feature is off, so toggle on. Now this will unlock more options. Look at how much RAM Edge can use. Next to it, you will find the slider where you can set the RAM. Now depending on how much RAM your PC have, it will be listed at the maximum end. Like in my case, my PC have 32 GB RAM. In case your device has 16, 8 or 4 GB, it will be listed there. Now use the slider and set it to depending on your RAM availability. Now if you move the slider to 1 GB, you will get a message. Setting lower level may impact performance. And same if you move the slider to 2 GB. As you move the slider to 3 GB, this message won't appear. That means Microsoft suggests users to set minimum of 3 GB of RAM for better performance. If Edge is your default browser and you use it frequently, then it's better to use minimum of 3 GB RAM. While if you don't use it often, then set it to 1 GB. As I have sufficient RAM, I will set it to 4 GB. Apart from this, there are two more options. If you select while PC gaming, the allowed RAM will be used only when you are playing games on PC. On the other hand, if you select always, the allocated RAM will be used all the time when you are using the browser. So that's all about this feature. Did you find it useful? Let me know in the comments. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.